we have to find the sum. We have addition of integers with different signs. We have 44 and negative 5. If we don't have sign, it's always positive. So positive 45, 44 and negative 5. When we have to add integers with different signs, first we check which of numbers is greater. 44 is greater than 5. We check the sign before the greater number. It's positive, so we have to write positive sign, and in parentheses we will have 44 minus 5. We subtract from the greater number smaller. Close parentheses. Positive sign we can rewrite, and we have 44 minus 5. This is 39. Positive sign we don't have to write, so this is just 39. 44 plus negative 5 is 39. Next example, we have negative 16 plus 85. Again, addition of integers with different sign, positive and negative. First, we check which of number is greater. 85 is greater than 16. So we check the sign before 85 is positive. So we can write positive sign. And in parentheses, we just subtract from the greater number smaller. So we have 85 minus 16. So this is equal. Positive sign we rewrite. And we have 85 minus 16. So this is equal 69. Positive sign we don't have to write, so the answer is 69. Negative 16 plus 85 is 69. The last example, we have negative 87 plus 87. In this example, the numbers are the same, 87 and 87. So we just rewrite this expression and start with positive numbers. So we have 87 minus 87. And we know that 87 minus 87 is, of course, 0. This is my solution.